Welcome friends, I am Swasti Patra from class 7 Secretariat School Rayagada. In this video we will discuss about chapter 1 math chapter 1 multiplication and divisions of integers. So what is integers? Integers are set of positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. Its example are in positive numbers 7, 8, 9, 10 etc etc. In negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 etc. So there are some rules for multiplication of integers. When a positive integer is multiplied to the positive integers, gives a positive product. 5 into 5 equal to 25. When a negative integer is multiplied to a negative integers, gives the product positive. -6 into -6 equal to 36. When a positive integer is multiplied to a negative integer, gives the product negative. Positive 6 into -5 equal to -30. When a negative integer is multiplied to a positive integer, gives the negative integer. -6 into 4 equal to -24. Now there are some rules for addition of integers. When a positive integer is added to a positive integer, gives positive product. 5 plus 6 equal to 11. It gives the positive product. Then when a negative integer is added to a negative integer, gives negative integer. -6 plus -6 equal to -12, gives a negative integer. When a positive integer is added to a negative integer, gives the sign of the greater number. Means 6 plus -2 equal to -4. Now -6 plus 2 equal to -4. Right, -4. Sorry, this one wrong. 4. This is -4. See, first we have to do 6 minus 2. Then it will come 4. Which is the greater number? 6. It is what is the sign of the greater number? Positive. So we will write 4 only. -6 plus 2. First 6 minus 2. Which is the greater number in this? The 6. What is the product of this? -6. That's why -4. Now we'll go for properties of multiplication. Closure property. Closure property. If a and b are an integer, then a into b are also integers. So let us take a equal to 6, b equal to 9. So 6 into 9 equal to 54. This is also an integer. Now we'll go for commutative property. If a and b are an integers, then a into b equal to b into a is it also an integer? A and b. So just take a equal to 3, b equal to 4. Now a into b, 3 into 4 equal to 4 into 3. Now we'll go for associative property. If a, b and c are an integers, then a into b into c equal to a into b into c are also an integer. Let us take a, b, c. Into a equal to 3, b equal to 7, c equal to 9. Now a into b, 3 into 7 into c, 9 equal to 3 into 7 plus 3 into 7 into 9. Okay. Now we'll go for identity property. If a is an integer, then a into 1 equal to 1 into a equal to a. A equal to 7. Then a into 1, 7 into 1 equal to 1 into a. Then 1 into 7 equal to 7. Right or no? Right? Now we'll discuss for zero property. If a is an integer, then a into 0 equal to 0 into a equal to 0. A equal to 4. Then 4 into 0 equal to 0 into 4 equal to 0. Now multiplication by minus 1. If a is an integer, then a into minus 1 equal to minus 1 into a equal to minus a. Let's just take a equal to 8. Then a into minus 1. 8 into minus 1 equal to minus 1 into 8 equal to minus 8. Now we'll discuss for multiplicative inverse of a number. If a by b is an integer, then its reciprocal is b by a. And then a by b is multiplied to b by a gives the product 1. How I will show that? So just take a equal to 3, b equal to 4. Then its in reciprocal is 3 by 4 equal to 4 by 3. Now it will subtract 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. Now what gives the product only 1. Now we'll go for distributive properties of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Such as a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Now a, b, c equal to 7, 9, 4. Now what is 8? 7. 7 into 9 plus 4 equal to 7 into 9 plus 7 into 4. Now 7 into 9 plus 4 13. 7 into 13 equal to 7 into 9 63 plus 7 into 4 28. 7 into 13 equal to 91 equal to 63 plus 28 91. So LHS equal to RHS proved. Now we'll discuss about sign of the product. No, sorry, I'm sorry. For the minus also it is the formulas are there. This one only will take, okay, this numbers only will take for the for this 7 into b minus c means 9 minus 4 equal to a into b means 7 into 4 minus a into c 7 into 4 sorry I'm sorry 7 into 9 this one, then 7 into a into c means 7 into 4. Then we'll check it. 7 35 this one, then equals equal 35. Now we'll go for sign of the product. When the negative integer is odd, the product is negative. When the negative integer is when the negative integer is odd, the product is negative. We'll see minus 6 into minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. First of all, we have to count the negatives. How much minus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is an odd number. Then it is the product is also a negative. When the negative integer is even, means minus 6 into minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2. So how much minus we have to count first? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is an even product. Then this is positive integer. Thank you.